Have you ever had a coworker ask, "So, do you have any plans for the weekend?"
This is the most common question in short English conversations, but finding the right words can sometimes be difficult.
Exactly. You don't want to just say nothing. You want to sound natural. Hi, everyone. Welcome to Calm Speak English. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're going to help you learn weekend conversations.
Whether you're an active person or prefer to relax, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say. Let's listen to a natural conversation. Hey, Emma. Thank God it's Friday. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Honestly, Alex, I've had a really busy week. I'm just going to stay home and relax. What about you?
I can't stay home. It's supposed to be sunny. So I'm going hiking with some friends on Saturday morning.
Hiking? Wow, you have so much energy. Where are you going?
We're driving to the nearby mountains. We're going to get some fresh air and maybe take some pictures. This is a great opportunity to relax. Do you want to join us?
Thanks for the invite, but no thanks. My plan is to sleep in late, order a pizza, and binge watch a new Netflix series. I heard it's really good.
That sounds great too. Sometimes you just need to recharge your batteries. Are you going to watch TV all day?
Probably. Saturday evening, I might do some light cleaning, but mostly I just want to relax.
Sounds like a great way to disconnect.
Exactly. But hey, do you have time on Sunday afternoon? Maybe we can grab a coffee.
Sunday sounds great. Let's meet at the cafe downtown around 4 p.m. Then I can tell you all about the walk.
Great. Enjoy your walk and try not to get too tired.
And enjoy your pizza. See you on Sunday. That was a great conversation. Before we practice speaking, let's quickly explain the 4 key phrases we used. But
Sure. The first one is to binge watch. It means to watch many episodes of a show one after the other, usually in one sitting.
the next one is to recharge your batteries. It's an idiom. It means to take time to relax and regain energy and strength.
Then we have to lounge around. It means to relax and do very little, often while lying on the couch.
And finally, to unwind. It means to simply relax after a period of work or stress. Like when I go for a walk to unwind.
Now, let's practice your pronunciation. We'll say a phrase and you'll repeat it after us during the pause. Are you ready?
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I'm just going to stay home and relax.
I'm going for a walk with some friends on Saturday morning.
I'm going to sleep in and watch a new series.
Sometimes you just need to recharge your batteries.
Maybe I'll do some light cleaning on Saturday evening.
Are you free on Sunday afternoon?
Let's meet at the cafe downtown.
Enjoy your walk.
See you on Sunday.
That was great, everyone. Now you're ready to talk confidently about your weekend plans.
We have a question for you. Tell us in the comments. Are you a team walker like Alex or a team calmer like me? We'd love to know.
If you found this lesson helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Calm Speak English. This will help us create more lessons for you.
Thanks for listening and enjoy your weekend.
See you next time.